Who is it? It's Rip One Outdoors. What do you want? Well, somebody told me you needed a hand. I brought my viewers along with me. We wanted to see what you got going on up in there. Yeah, I did need a hand. And that was a while ago. But you're never around whenever I need you. So you know what I did? I just took matters into my own hand. And I bought a bike hand. Link in description. Hey y'all, it's Rip One Outdoors. It's good to be back with y'all. Hey, as you can see, we're in the shed today. Got a little something we wanted to show you. One of the most impactful tools, accessories, I believe, that's ever been brought into this shed as far as bike maintenance and bike activities and what have you, adjustments and everything. Let me show you what we got. No, it's not a telescope. It's the bike hand. It's the bike hand maintenance stand. I've been thinking about something like this. I've been using the old Cooter Ridge bike stand, as I call it, flipping the bike over. You know, that worked, but can we do better? Yeah. And here recently we sold a few bikes, and thank you guys for that purchased bikes using my link, and got a little commission there. So we decided we would put that to a good use, and we had talked to some of our viewers up in Ohio, Nikki and Steve, and Collinsworth that is, and they advised me that they had the bike hand and that it was working wonderful for them. And I said, you know what? I think I'm gonna try that. So that's what I did with my commission money. I bought me a bike hand. This one is the 110-pound model. It holds up to 110 pounds. And I paid $199 for it. Yeah, it's a lot, but if it works, hey. And let me show you. It didn't do no unboxing or nothing like that. Really didn't need to. That's how light it is right there. I'm not a weightlifter. It's just a few, 10 pounds or so, whatever. A lot of places where it adjusts. It's got a little tool tray here you can mount on the back. You can set your tools around there. You got a little flip up head here. Let's see how I can do this. And it just swings around like that. Like I say, it didn't have to do any unboxing or anything because there's nothing to unbox. There you go. Once we get the legs extended out, we reach down here and it's got these quick release clamps. Everything's pretty easy to use. Now my thing is I saw some guys on YouTube and on the internet picking their bikes up and bringing them into here and holding them one hand with the bike. And I said, you can't do that with no deer. I can tell you that. That deer 93 pounds and some change. It's got a really good soft head here. I mean, this is not a review or anything. I just wanted to show y'all what I got. But it's got a really good soft head here. So I said, what a better place to grab this Jaguarundi than grab the seat post. Okay, this seat post is the original seat post that come with the bike. I took my suspension seat post out. I don't want to mess up with that or anything. So I put the original seat post back in there. And what I'm going to show you here is my method for getting it mounted into the vise. All right, I got it about the level here that I want to hook the seat post to. Yesterday I tried getting around on this side of the bike, and I was picking it up like this, and I got chain oil all over my britches. So I won't be doing that today. But the head, I got the head here where it swivels, okay, see? It swivels. So, but I got these clamps tightened down, so that's the level that I want it, okay? So what I'm going to do here, and I'll show y'all how to do it, I'll try to, let me see, maybe I can twist it around here a little bit, try to show y'all where you can see this. I thought about all different kind of methods of getting the bike up in here, okay? Setting the back wheel on a milk crate, setting it on some kind of a bucket, and I tried that, and every time I tried that, it got in the way of the leg here. So I said, okay, it's the best way to do it. I'm just gonna reach down, pick up by the frame, and I'm gonna let that kickstand just kind of rest against my leg like that. See? And I'm tightening it up. Yeah, this thing's gonna be fine as frog hair now for making adjustments and working on brakes and stuff like that. All right, now you see, now it will pivot up and down. Let me set the camera. Let me set the camera over here. How's that? Y'all see that? So the front wheel's sitting on the floor, and if I wanted both wheels off the ground, I could lift it up like this and simply do one turn, okay? And it locks it in place. Then I can turn loose of it. But it doesn't, I'm only working on one wheel at a time, so I'll loosen it back up, back it off one turn, just let it rotate like that. Front wheel sitting on the thing, and here we go. We can work on the derailleur right here. I got my little stool here. I got an old paint stool here I can roll around. But my first job I was going to do with it is adjust these brakes, because now I got this thing to where I can hear that little squealing. I'm gonna take that out. I mean, I'm not gonna do that for y'all, but I mean, I'm just to show you that's where the bike hand's gonna come in handy. And basically, to take it out, you can do the same thing. I'm gonna reach right here, grab it, pick it up, couple of turns on this handle right here, and the seat post will come out, and it's ready to set back down on the floor. Hey, couple of clamps here. These clamps here has got two clamps that hold this arm from going, keep it up or let it slide up and down. One clamp down at the bottom that holds the legs, and that's it. A very good built, robust piece of equipment. We're gonna have all kind of fun doing some maintenance projects and messing with these e-bikes. So thank y'all for watching. Just wanted to show y'all this. Thank you to the people who bought bikes through my link, and you can see the money gets used to good use, put to good use, and I will enjoy this, and I appreciate that very much. So y'all know the routine. Hit that like and that subscribe. We got a link in our description for Magicycle. If you care to buy this beautiful Jaguarundi bike or the Deer or any of the other good bikes that they offer, hey, check them out. Use that link in my description when you make your purchase, and my channel will get credit for it at no extra cost to you. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, 50 degrees. We're going to go riding here in a little while. We're going to thinking about going down toward the possum walk. So I got a date with a possum. Y'all come see us when you can. Rip One Outdoors. Catch y'all later.